Morty tripped a lot about it lately that someone should side, that maybe she's not Holly. Like find it in her hair, fix her hair, put it together that I am not Holly. Put it together that maybe it's just her would be a deal of not working out because she's not who Holly. So right here we have a few weapons like Morty said. Morty is nothing without his weapon. So we have a refined peak here where it's a peak that we were told about basically from Mark him will be against Casper, that like they be having it like the beef over a string of a pig angazi noma ukuthi ubani oguda kakhulu umataputa kakhulu phakathi kwabo, but then it happened at least at some time way back. So we did some shit with them Makhauvane time back, when we digged up right here, just right here with Mkab. We digged that man axe, so it be digged with man axe. We made sure that Modi there get his freedom. At least he's at least there. Bever, he's a bever. You know what I'm saying? So at least there he's thinking about it being the egg that he gets to he wants to be raw. At least he wants to be raw. So we did a bit of digging with the umqala there with man X. Here we got a pig. Like my Calvin was busy like getting so deep about that is more than just yeah, colors or sun. Like he can do more than just two colors when it comes to picking up a pig. Like he can hold it, he wouldn't run, he can hold the wall. Or you can hold the stand, he wouldn't run when the stand is there to be put down. He's Calvin, like he had it out there with a pick. So he obviously got it there with the shovel. With the shovel, we had Lama there, worried and running there, Tatiana. So while we were coming with Chigeleza there, Chigeleza wanting his shovel back. And Baba figured the shovel lam return. We say be peace be for sure. Return be for sure. Like nqamqeqeshi like into ongayazi. Nqamqeqeshi mase kulahleke ishavu lekhaya kulahleke for sure. So bengifika nojikeleza lapho uklama wabaleka into ey'nqaba Tatiana. Sengifika nojikeleza ezofuna ifosholo lakhe. So with ifosholo there, we have at least ukuceda siyacenta at random times lapha endlini. Obviously these things you wouldn't be picking them right now as I say them, because it's obviously moving worlds. I'm say Johannesburg eJozi ziyagijima nasemgaqweni kuyashuba ngapha nangapha, so you wouldn't be obviously catching them. But with the ifosholo there, baba ezothi liphi ifosholo siyacenta ekhaya, ngiyacenta nawangubani I think khetha the granite, ezokhetha the granite phithizela bhuto. So ngiyacenta like a few places with it ilokhu ifosholo. So ifosholo the zeros wanted by ujikeleza wakhala uTatiana wasekulodisha ifosholo. So at least I'm a dude with the ifosholo who has ifosholo. Then there Makhauvane was still dealing that with his Mbazu impersonation, was still dissing that he would be able to stand when it's time to stand, that he wouldn't lose the prize, he can stand for the prize. With Umqala, we also worked with Umqala, like we would take like a few graves with Uxomen X, which is a good joint also. We also have joint competition with like which one is a good joint. I'm gonna push you like through the joints with, like, this is a joint, this is another joint, this is the joint, then you show me which joint you prefer, which joint you would ride with. With the Kalemba, we also tested it, although we got S50, Mori S50 there dissing around it. That is in Kemba. It's still its biggest weapon, and he had never missed. You know about it, that he had never missed. You've heard about it, he had never missed, not once. So we used the Kalemba, which is different from Ikemba though. But we used the Kalemba to cut off the pointer, which makes us the pointer at Suzela. Suzela will be pointer at Suzela, but that's coming up also. So right now we're dropping at least Imbazo right then with Umbazo. Umbazo went in head first, never thinking about who would have said head in what verse. My mom probably got it the worst, but as stubborn as we are, wondering if I take it too far. Cleaning out my closet and all them other songs, but regardless, I don't hate you, cause ma, you still the best to me, cause you my ma. It's dropping in bars, okay there.